Alright, so I have a 91 Toyota Land Cruiser. The main issue that I'm having here is this does not work. Does not engage or open over there. A previous owner kind of mentioned that there was a spring that I needed to buy that goes in there. So right now the trick is, in order for me to open that up, I'll have to shove something like a key here, kind of wedged between where the hinge is, and that's supposed to open. And then open this up. Opens this up over here. So I've ordered the part and I'm gonna fix it. So got it off eBay. It's this Doorman 47208 Toyota Lexus fuel door spring. It's gonna be a super easy install. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew this one right here, and I'm gonna unscrew this. And what we want to get in is into here. I wasn't able to get into it or put the little hinge or the spring there. It was too hard to reach. Okay, so halfway through doing this, I realized you could just use one of these here. It's much easier, and you don't risk stripping the screws. Perfect. Now that we've taken those two screws off, we're going to set them aside here in the seat, and we're going to take this out and we're going to slip it right into here. And there's another clip that sits here. All right, so if you see here, you have this right here, this little like a little clip, and then this also on this other side right here, that right there, that also clips here. So that clips onto here, this little bar, and this one right here will clip onto this little lip here. Okay, that little lip clips onto there. Now you might wonder, well, why not just do it while it's on the car? Why did you have to unscrew it? Well, it's only two screws, it's not that hard to take off, but also when it's in, you can't really slip it through. I tried, I kind of struggled a bit for like 5 minutes until I said, well, it's going to be a lot faster if I just take it off. So that's why I did that. So that kind of slips right there and clips in, and that clips in all the way. All right, awesome. There, it's installed. So you might have a little bit of difficulty with this. Be gentle, don't break it. One thing that I found was pretty helpful was, because it's kind of hard to fit in, I used a flathead screwdriver to kind of push it and open it as I was pushing this down as well, pushing this in, and I was using with another hand a flathead to kind of open this part up right here so it would be able to reach and kind of clip in. And once it clips in, it's perfectly fine, and you should be able to screw both those things back on, those screws back on, and you should be good. Almost done here. Boom, nice and tight. Now, moment of truth. Close that. And come over here, click on this, and look at that. It opened. Beautiful. So that's it. Awesome. If you like this video, please let me know. I plan on doing more, primarily because I just got this Land Cruiser and it needs a lot of work.